Hey guys, it's Joe, Jordanbikes. Look at this little beauty, Aprilia Tuono Factory. Absolute monsters these, they're really light as well, can't believe how light they are. Got the Ohlins and the Brembos and stuff like that, and it's a two-owner bike with a full service history, so it has been really looked after. Done 12,620 miles. Like I say, if you look down, you've got the carbon fibre, the Ohlins, the Brembos, bit of engine protection on there. Like I said, they're really light as these, just to show you that they just weigh absolutely nothing. Got the Akrapovic carbon exhaust on there, which sound fantastic. Bit of quick fire for you. Sounds lovely. It's 2007 on a 57 plate. It's got the tail tidy up there as well. Absolutely cracking bike. Bit of a future classic these, definitely. So yeah, not often we sell stuff like this because they are quite rare. So get yourself down to Jordanbikes or give us a call. Thank you very much.